on a Tuesday, I saw your picture. You were so happy, I could just tell. She's really pretty, I think she's a model. Baby, together, you look hot as hell. And I didn't even want to cry. What is this feeling? Couldn't believe it, had to ask myself why. I must have loved you more than I ever knew. Didn't know I could end, 'cause I'm happy for you. Now I know everything. I'm not mad, I'm not hurt. You got everything you deserve. I must have loved you more than I ever knew. I'm happy for you. And looking back now, I hope you see it. Even the hard parts are all for the best. I see where